and welcome to another YouTube video. In today's video, we're going to be discussing why you need to use Pinterest in order to market your brand in a better way. So the first thing that we need to discuss is that Pinterest is a very underrated social media platform, and it has more than 150 million monthly active users. Now that's not a lot as compared to Facebook or Twitter or Instagram. And that is an advantage. Do you know why? Because it means that it has less competition, and that's why you can leverage your brand and leverage your promotional techniques here in a far effective manner. And that's why, because Pinterest, you see, it is a very useful site for people who want to purchase things, for people who want to get ideas, who want to be inspired by things. And that's why if you use the strategies that Pinterest has to offer in the right manner, you can do more than just promote your brand on Pinterest. So the first thing to consider is that you need to understand its uses and mold them for your own good. You need to use them in such a manner that you promote your brand in the best way possible. So as you can see, we're here on our profile. It shows you the monthly views, it shows you a basic description, and also a link to our website. And if we go further down, we can also see that we can arrange the content in the form of ideas and categories and boards. So let's just say that if we're creating content about SEO, we can create a board about SEO, and we can also save content to our own profiles from other profiles into those boards. But if you're promoting yourself, you need to create a separate board for yourself only and not include content from other influencers, no matter how inspiring they are. And well, you can insert links to important resources with catchy images and descriptions. So for example, if I click on this here, you can see before clicking, we can see that you can create a board for yourself as well, and you can save images to those boards. So let's just say that if a customer visits your profile and they like a picture, so they can just come here and they can click on save, and it will be instantly saved by their profile. And obviously that is a metric that Pinterest will consider as useful. So if you click on this pin, we can see that it doesn't have a lot of description because all the text is arranged, it's embedded inside the photo, and we have the link to our website here. And the most useful and the most powerful thing about Pinterest is that you can use the visual elements to your own advantage. If your images are visually appealing and they are strongly beautiful or captivating, you can grab the attention of your targeted audience and you can direct them to your website or any other resource that you've attached in the form of a link to the pin. So that's why you need to use very engaging and visually appealing graphical and visual elements in your content or in your pins that you're uploading to your profiles. And businesses can use Pinterest in order to highlight their unique points or highlight any unique services or products that they're offering. And this applies for any kind of business. No matter what you sell, no matter what you're representing, Pinterest can really help you engage your targeted audience in a very effective manner. And another useful thing, another very interesting fact about Pinterest is that unlike Facebook, you don't get filtered out with time by more relevant or latest and newest trends on Pinterest. So if anyone comes in here in the search bar and they look for stuff like digital marketing or anything that's relevant to your niche, they will still be able to see you no matter how many years have passed since you uploaded the post. Although it is suggested that you make sure that you're consistent on posting on Pinterest, because the only way to engage your targeted audience is to keep them fed with newest and latest content. So these are some of the most basic things that you need to know about Pinterest and why you should be marketing your brand using Pinterest. So go ahead and make a business profile for your business or brand on Pinterest in order to promote and advertise your brand in the most unique and effective way possible.